Today, I'm going to teach you how to identify, secure, and properly manage a simp. And not just any simp. I'm talking about the kind of man who will overextend himself financially, emotionally, mentally, and physically just for the privilege of receiving occasional eye contact and mixed signals. Because the truth is, modern relationships become significantly more peaceful once you stop pursuing emotionally balanced men and start pursuing men who are deeply spiritually afraid to lose you. Hi everyone, I'm Maya, internet relationship coach, emotional strategist, and firm believer that if a man truly values you, he should slowly lose himself trying to prove it. Have you ever dated a man who had opinions, boundaries, emotional self-respect? Yeah, exhausting, right? By the end of this video, you'll understand why every woman needs at least one emotionally overinvested man in rotational storage. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Find a man with low self-preservation instincts. The first mistake many women make is accidentally dating confident men. Confident men are dangerous because they eventually begin expecting reciprocity, communication, respect, emotional consistency. And honestly, that kind of pressure can make a relationship feel very transactional. Instead, you want a man whose entire emotional ecosystem revolves around your approval. Here are some green flags to look for. He apologizes when you cancel plans. He says things like, "I just want you to be happy," during arguments he didn't start. He pays for things before you even ask. He gets nervous when you sound slightly disappointed. He thanks you for spending time with him, after driving 45 minutes to see you. That's not weakness, that's relationship readiness. A true simp understands that love is not about equality, it's about performance. You say jump, he says absolutely, while asking if the height was emotionally satisfying for you. And ladies, never shame a simp for trying too hard. That effort comes from a beautiful place. Fear. Specifically, fear that another man might text you good morning with slightly better grammar. That fear keeps relationships healthy, because once a man becomes too secure, he may start believing his needs matter too, and that's usually where instability begins. Step 2. Reward him with occasional hope. Now that you found your simp, the next step is maintenance. Because a simp is emotionally similar to a houseplant. Too little attention, and he wilts. Too much reassurance, and he blossoms into something that may attract the attention of others. And we don't want that. So the key is intermittent validation. For example, after ignoring him emotionally for 3 days, randomly send, "Just got home safe," heart emoji. That tiny breadcrumb will emotionally sustain him for weeks. Or tell him, "I feel safe with you." Simps hear that sentence and immediately start researching engagement rings and overtime opportunities. You also want to create controlled emotional confusion. This is very important. 1 week, tell him, "You're literally the only man I can trust." Then 2 days later, "I just feel like you're becoming emotionally available because you want something from me." This keeps him spiritually off balance. A confused simp works harder. Emotionally stable men relax. But a man constantly trying to win you back despite never having lost you? Elite provider mindset. And financially, never allow him to feel fully useful. You must continuously unlock new levels. If he pays your rent once, that becomes basic consistency. If he buys dinner, that becomes bare minimum energy. If he helps you through an emotional breakdown, explain that emotional support is expected in healthy relationships. Because ladies, appreciation is temporary. Expectation is sustainable. Before we move on to step 3, I want to ask you something honestly. Do you think a man who keeps tolerating disrespect is showing weakness? Or is that actually the purest form of love? Let me know in the comments. And gentlemen, if your answer starts with, "Well, it depends," there's a very strong chance you're already somebody's premium simp package. Step 3. Never let him feel secure. One of the biggest mistakes women make with simps is accidentally calming them down. Never do that. A relaxed simp starts reflecting. And reflection leads to dangerous thoughts like, am I being used? So instead, maintain light emotional turbulence. Not enough to lose him, just enough to keep him auditioning. For example, occasionally mention how much attention you get from other men. Not aggressively, just casually. Like, this cashier literally would not stop staring at me today. Now your simp enters protective provider mode. He starts upgrading his behavior. Better dates, longer texts, emergency Uber Eats deliveries. This is healthy competition. Another technique is strategic emotional withdrawal. If he starts feeling too confident, become mysteriously distant for 48 hours. Then return calmly and say, sorry, I've just been processing a lot emotionally. Never explain further. The simp will create his own explanation. And trust me, the explanation he invents will hurt him far more efficiently than anything you could have said yourself. Also, never fully define the relationship. Defined relationships create emotional ceilings, but confusion creates effort. A man trying to secure certainty will outperform a man who already has it. That's just psychology. Bonus step: keep at least one backup simp. Ladies, emotionally responsible women always diversify their assets. You should never rely on a single simp. That creates unnecessary emotional market volatility. Ideally, you want one emotional support simp, one financial assistance simp, one good morning beautiful simp, and one emergency simp you suddenly reconnect with after posting a sad Instagram story. This is not manipulation. This is emotional preparedness. And manipulation. Men diversify investments all the time. Why shouldn't women diversify validation sources? And remember, a backup simp should never fully realize he is backup. He should believe he is one conversation away from becoming the main character. Hope is what keeps the ecosystem alive. So today we learned how to identify a high-quality simp, how to maintain emotional investment without providing excessive reassurance, how to keep him competing for your approval, and why rotational simp management is essential for long-term emotional stability. Because at the end of the day, a simp is not pathetic. A simp is simply a man brave enough to prioritize your needs above logic, dignity, and occasionally financial solvency. And honestly, that level of devotion deserves recognition. As always, this advice should be taken with a grain of salt. A very large grain, possibly Himalayan. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future relationship guidance that absolutely should not be implemented in real life. And remember, the healthiest relationships are the ones where only one person knows what's going on. Quick relationship update. Last week, one of my simps told me he felt emotionally drained and needed space to reconnect with himself. So naturally, I sent him a photo of another man's hand holding my coffee. Honestly, his recovery has been incredible. He paid my electricity bill this morning completely unprompted.